Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Yes, this is Amit, your host, and I'm super excited to introduce my channel Cocktails and Mocktails to you all. Yes, I myself is a hotel graduate with a specialization in mixology and bartending. I have also been awarded from lot of properties for my work. Yes, so now I have planned to share my expertise with you all so that you will get some help out of it, and also you can prepare your own cocktails at your own home. It's not like you always need to go to any bar or restaurant and pay hefty amount to have a glass of cocktail, right? If you're planning to throw a party at your home, so you can definitely prepare a cocktail by yourself and you can surprise your friend, family or loved one. Also, students, those who are pursuing their career and those who are interested to pursue their career in hotel industry, that too in a bartending division or mixology. So in that case, they will also get help from my channel and they will understand and learn a lot of things, techniques, tools, tackles, how to do garnishing, how to present your cocktails. So there are a lot of things they are also going to learn from my channel. So before starting, a very basic thing we should understand what exactly cocktail is. It's not like anything and everything which is mixing is cocktail. Cocktail is having a specific definition. The definition is in the mixture there has to be one or more than one alcoholic beverages. Yes, one or more than one alcoholic beverages. With that you can mix aerated water, you can mix aerated drinks, you can mix fruit juices or any kind of milkshakes or any other shakes. So all this together, when you mix properly in a balanced manner which soothes your tongue and taste, that becomes a proper cocktail. So here in my channel I am going to teach you all how to do and prepare the cocktails. Definitely if you have any kind of suggestions, queries or any kind of doubts, you can easily communicate with me, and I want to make this channel a very interactive session. So whenever you are going to send me any comment or any kind of suggestion or anything inquiry you want to do, you can definitely send a mail or you can definitely send a query through the comment section so that I can revert to you in a very fast manner. And also, apart from that, we should know how this cocktails to be prepared. And before we start with the preparation of the cocktail, in my first episode, I want to tell you all that what are the tools or what are the kit you should have with you, maybe at home or maybe at work, so that you can prepare your drink properly, smoothly and easily. So let us start with the first episode of Cocktails and Mocktails, where we are going to see the exact tools what we are going to have to start making different types of cocktails. Let's do it. Yeah. So the very first thing I am going to show you is this. This is a shaker. Shaker means we do shake in this particular item. There we mix all the ingredients and then we do the shake. It's a kind of mixing, you can say. So this is the shaker. Second, what you need is peg measurer. This is peg measurer. So here, with the help of this peg measurer, you measure your drink. This is the large one, which is 60 ml, and the another side, this is a small one, this is 30 ml. So you can measure your drink through this peg measurer. So you also need this. This is a strainer. Strainer used to strain your drink from the shaker. Yes, so after strainer, there is another thing. This is your bar spoon. This is a tall spoon which will help you to stir your drink. So this is a bar spoon. This is also a very useful item you should have at your bar counter or at your home if you want to prepare good cocktails, because this will require to blend or to stir. Next I will show you opener. Opener you all know. So opener, what is the work of opener? That also you all know. To open a bottle. So it's a bottle opener. Then comes a small knife. This is called as a bar knife. So we have to have this bar knife to cut, like fruits or for garnishing purpose, for decorating purpose. We need this small knife. for different work. This is a peeler. Again, we need a peeler to use it for peeling off any kind of fruits or lime or any kind of decorating items. This is a squeezer, you all know. So this squeezer is used to squeeze lemon to get fresh juice out of that lemon. So we need this squeezer to squeeze and get a fresh lime juice. Now comes hand blender. This hand blender is very useful. You can have it. It's very handy, which will be used to blend your drink. When you are having a drink which is with a lot of ingredient, you need to mix it. So this hand blender will be in a very good use. So this one you can use as a blending purpose. So this you can do in your class, right? Now comes muddler. Muddler is basically used to muddle the ingredients. Suppose in a measuring glass you have given grapes, you have given some other fruit items, and that you want to mix. So muddler used for muddling purpose or for mixing, or you can say for smashing purpose. So muddler used for smashing. So you also need this muddler with you at the workstation. Now let us see another item. This is a measuring spoon. Measuring spoon is very important for ingredients to measure while pouring into the jar or a glass. So these are different type of measuring spoon is there. So you can have it easily in the market. So you will get it from the market, or you can even buy online. So these all are available nowadays online. So you can definitely buy it from online or from a local market you will get it. So this is a measure spoon. This spoon is a quarter spoon. This one is a half teaspoon. This one is 1 teaspoon. This is half tablespoon, and this one is a proper tablespoon. So this is the measure of the spoon. So this is another item which is also very much necessary for your bar. This is the measuring glass. This measuring glass is containing of all the measures and units given here, based on which whatever measurement you require to prepare your drink, you can put it here, and accordingly you can do the mixing part. I have shown you earlier a hand blender. So what is the use of that hand blender? Suppose you are mixing something in this particular measuring glass. You are giving some juice, you are giving some items, ingredients out here, and then what you do, you will take your hand blender. You just insert it and you can do the blending thing. So this is how these things use. Another thing, this is straw. Straw is also very much important when you are going to serve your drink to your guest. That time you have to give a straw for them to have, if it is a sit-based or a that kind of drink. There are a lot more things we need, but these are the basic thing. There is another thing. This is a towel or a napkin which you need to clean your workstation. So there are a lot of things we should have at the bar, but let's stick with the basic, as because I am showing you so that you can prepare it at home, or for the people those who are learning. So for them at least basic is required at this point of time. Later stage I'll inform you what else we can add or what else you require to have in your bar counter. So that's it for the tool purpose, for the tool segment. So this is the tool what you require for your daily work, or for practicing, or maybe for preparing your cocktail and mocktails at home. So guys, hopefully this is going to be a helpful video for you, and definitely in my next video I'm going to show you very refreshing mocktail and a very refreshing cocktail. So in my next video it would be 2 drinks I'm going to show you, 1 cocktail and 1 mocktail. So I hope you are going to see that, and I'm also going to see you in my next episode. Till that time, stay tuned, and if you like the video, please do subscribe my channel to motivate me to prepare more video on this kind of subjects and this kind of knowledge segments, and also hit the bell icon for notification so that you will get notification whenever I am going to release any video, and like and also share so that others can also see this kind of tutorial video based on preparation of alcoholic beverage mixing and mocktails, so that it will be a very much spreading thing, so that everyone can see, learn and can do by their own. Hopefully you like this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till that time, bye bye and take care. Bye.